Two burglars were suspected to have stolen a motorbike in Langas, Eldoret are in police custody after they were attacked by a swarm of bees. According to Langas residents who claim to have witnessed the spectacle, the swarm of bees attacked one of the suspects while another reportedly forced another to return the stolen motorbike to where they had picked it from. Majibu Kitsao tells us more.
This is not a beehive. It is the back of a human. This is one of the two suspects accused of stealing a motorbike in Langas, Eldoret. He is visibly in pain. His colleague also scurries on the floor, looking for a way to pick himself up to reach this motorbike, but he is burdened with bee stings. The masses could not be left behind. Here, they came to witness this magic. The suspects, identified as Stephen Odor and Eric Ochieng, both from Langas, later walked across the town to the witch doctor's residence, pushing the stolen motorbike, where the witch doctor allegedly performed some rituals, after which they were taken to the Langas police station to record their statements. According to area residents, the arrest of the two was a relief to them after grappling with increased cases of motorbike theft for some time.
Jioni wakati kunanyesha nilikuwa nakuja kutoka town. Karibu na aka daraja ukipanda hivi kwa njia ya Langas. Hao vijana wakanisimamisha. Sasa walikuwa wanaenda side gani? Kaambia nenda side ya Langas hivi. Unaweza wabeba pamoja twende. Mnashukia hapo side ya Kanyigu na Poli, wakasema Mimi nikawabeba kama customer tu, ile unajua ni mtu wa kawaida. Kumbe sijui watu wako na niamba.
Lakini kwa maoni nasema tu waendelee kuwatafuta hao wezi, wazidi kupatikana na daktari. Nasema kama kuna cheo unaweza pandishwa, kama ni diploma na degree uendelee kupewa kabisa. Daktari uendelee kufanya hiyo kazi. Nikiwa mmoja wao nasema daktari, Mungu aendelee kupea nguvu kabisa ya kupata hao wezi kabisa. Wapatikane na wafanyiwe vile wamefanyiwa.
Just when you think you've seen it all, comes bees. This time, not about honey, but a bitter punishment. Majibu Kitsao for Switch TV.
Clearly, they didn't see that coming. Thank you, Majibu Kitsao.